Welcome to another day of Vlogmas 2021. I'm doing a what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher personal point plan. If you'd like to see what I eat in the day on my weight loss journey with Weight Watchers, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I am doing a weight loss restart on the Weight Watchers personal point plan, and I am sharing what I eat in the day. So if you'd like to see it, come on along and share the day with me. Today I'm having avocado toast for breakfast. I weighed out 55 grams of avocado, and that's going to be 2 points on the Weight Watcher personal point plan. It's always a good idea to weigh out the avocado in grams because this is actually almost a whole avocado and it's only 2 points. I sprinkled some everything but the bagel seasoning on it, and I used 2 points worth of bread. It is the Sara Lee Delightful bread for 2 points. And I'm going to have an iced coffee with that. So this is going to be a 5-point breakfast. My avocado was a little hard, so it was harder to spread, but it's still good. Getting some steps in outside today. It is about 54 degrees, which is pretty warm for December in Ohio. So I thought I'd get some outside steps. I like to get my steps in different places, different atmosphere, but it's a little cold. There's the lake, walking backwards. See you later. For lunch, I am sauteing some onions and grilling a couple of Hebrew National hot dogs. They are 97% fat-free. They're only 1 point a piece. And I'm going to use some Sara Lee Delightful bread for 1 point per piece of bread. So that's going to be my lunch. And there's my 4-point lunch. 2 Hebrew National hot dogs, grilled onions, ketchup and mustard on some toasted 45-calorie bread for 4 points total. Sometimes it does feel like a hot dog. I'm making a pot of chicken soup. I'm sauteing some vegetables in a teaspoon of olive oil. I added an onion, carrots, celery, and since potatoes are 0 points for me, a potato chopped up. And I will saute those until they get nice and tender and the onions are transparent. Once those are getting a little sauteed and softened up, I'm going to add some salt, pepper, some parsley flakes, poultry seasoning, just a little bit, some Nature's seasoning blend, a little Italian seasoning, some garlic powder. Then I'm going to add some chicken broth. I have some chicken broth in the cupboard, so I'll pour that in there. And I have another box of a different brand. So that is 64 ounces total of chicken broth. And then I'm going to add some chicken wings to give it some more flavor, which I will broil later in the oven, or bake in the oven later for dinner. Now I added a package of whole chicken wings. It adds a lot of flavor to the broth. I trimmed the fat off as much as I can, but I will broil it, or I will bake them with the skin on after the soup is done. And that is going to be dinner for tonight. Going for an evening walk at the community center. Back on track at the community center, literally. Let's get those steps in. Remember what I said, planning is key, tracking is key, and exercise is key. Gotta do it. There's my chicken soup. Nice with vegetables, and I'm making some noodles. I took the chicken wings out and I'm broiling them. There's my chicken wings. After taking them out of the soup, I put them on a broiling pan, and I use paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper, some onion powder, and that is what they look like when they come out. And they're very tasty. And there's my dinner for tonight. I'm having 3 chicken wings for 12 points, and I'm having a bowl of chicken soup for 5 points. So that is a 17-point dinner. For a snack tonight, I'm having a 0-point grapefruit. I bought them at Aldi's and they're really sweet. So that's what I'm having. I had a taste for some peanut butter, so I took 1 teaspoon of creamy peanut butter for 1 point, and I measured it and put it on 4 pieces of celery. So I have a crunchy celery vegetable with the peanut butter. So that's a nice little snack. I ended the day with using 24 of 25 points available. I earned 1 from water and 1 from exercise. So that'll be it for the day, 25 points. So that's going to be the end of my what I ate in the day video on the Weight Watcher personal points plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.